I'll show you how to create a QR code in Canva in this quick tutorial. So first, go to Canva using the link in the description. Click on the Create button. Search for logo and then click on the logo option. On the left side, go to the Apps section. In the search bar, search for QR. There are quite a few options. Select this simple QR code. Enter the URL you want users to visit after scanning the QR code. Click on Generate Code. Resize the QR code image to fit the entire box. Then click Share. And then download. That's how you create a QR code in Canva. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.